All right, now let me get back to work. It's the first time doing Ali Docking. She said she has no problem if we want to record videos as long as it's for educational purpose. She didn't want her identity to be shown. She's camera shy. I respect that. That's why I'm trying to blur her face. Now I want to show you a few things that you must be aware of. Obviously, she's starting. She will make some mistakes there and there, but I want you to pay attention, because you are going to make the same mistakes that she's making. But one thing for sure that I like about this video is that you can see the instructor walking next to a truck, making sure that he is not too far from her so that she can hear every instruction that he is giving her. You will see she will stop the truck because she is not sure about the positioning of her truck, and you will see her truck will move forward a bit, then she stopped it. When you are doing a test, you shouldn't do that simply because of you're going to fail. Once you stop, some instructors will allow you to stop, but they won't allow you to move forward. But because of she's starting, obviously she need to work on a few things, work on her balancing, her clutch control. Also, she must work on her mirrors. Obviously, she's focusing also on her steering wheel. So all these things are happening at the same time. Obviously, she's under a little bit of pressure right now. But I like how she is, calm, how she's mastering it. She got it in. She got it in simply because of the clear instructions. Obviously, I had to protect her identity right there. But I like that because of this is for educational purpose.